Tonight we embark on a journey through the cosmos, not just exploring celestial objects, but the history of how they were cataloged. Three major catalogs have shaped the way we observe the night sky: the Messier catalog, the Caldwell catalog, and the New General Catalog, or NGC. These catalogs are more than just lists of stars, nebula, and galaxies. They represent the competition of ideas, evolving observational techniques, and the quest to categorize the wonders of our universe. Our story begins in the 18th century with Charles Messier, a French astronomer obsessed with discovering comets. However, in his search, he frequently encountered fuzzy comet-like objects that never moved across the sky. To avoid distractions, Messier compiled the list of these fixed deep sky objects, 110 in total, so that astronomers could distinguish them from real comets. Despite its original purpose, the Messier catalog became the go-to reference for amateur astronomers. It contains some of the most stunning celestial sights, including the Andromeda Galaxy, or M31, the Orion Nebula, M42, and the famous Pleiades star cluster, M45. However, this list had limitations. It only covered the northern hemisphere and lacked many spectacular objects visible in the southern hemisphere. Enter the 20th century and British astronomer Sir Patrick Moore, writing under his mother's maiden name, Caldwell. Noticing the Messier's catalog's limitations, Moore sought to create a supplementary list to serve amateur astronomers worldwide. In 1995, he introduced the Caldwell catalog, 109 objects that were just as breathtaking as Messier's, but overlooked due to Messier's geographic and instrumental constraints. The Caldwell catalog included both northern and southern sky objects, making it a more globally relevant resource. Some of its most famous objects include the Double Cluster, or C14, the Hades Cluster, C41, and the Tarantula Nebula, C103. Unlike Messier, who numbered his objects based on discovery order, Moore arranged his list according to declination, making it easier for observers to navigate the night sky. While the Messier and Caldwell catalogs are highly selective and geared towards amateur astronomers, the New General Catalog, or NGC, published in 1888 by John Dreyer, aimed to be an exhaustive list of deep sky objects, containing over 7,800 objects, including galaxies, star clusters, and nebula. The NGC became the professional astronomer's essential reference. Unlike the Messier and Caldwell catalogs, which prioritized bright and visually striking objects, the NGC catalog documented everything observable at the time, regardless of visibility to the naked eye. This made it far more comprehensive, though also less user-friendly for amateur stargazers. Some of the most famous NGC objects include the Whirlpool Galaxy, NGC 5194, and the Helix Nebula, NGC 7293. So which catalog reigns supreme? The answer depends on the observer. The Messier catalog remains the most famous and accessible, serving as an introduction to deep sky observation. The Caldwell catalog complements it by expanding coverage, particularly for those in the southern hemisphere. Meanwhile, the NGC is the gold standard for serious astronomers who wish to delve deeper into the cosmos. Rather than competing in the traditional sense, these catalogs build upon each other. They reflect the evolution of the astronomical observation, from Messier's comet hunting to Caldwell's global accessibility and the NGC's comprehensive scientific rigor. Today, digital databases and space telescopes continue this legacy, expanding our celestial knowledge far beyond what Messier, Caldwell, or Dreyer could have imagined. As we gaze up at the stars tonight, let's appreciate not just the beauty of the cosmos, but also the dedication of the astronomers who classified it. Whether you're a beginner with a telescope working through the Messier list, an enthusiast exploring Caldwell's selections, or a professional diving into the depths of the NGC, each catalog offers a unique pathway to the stars. The true competition isn't about which catalog is best, it's about the unending human desire to explore, categorize, and understand the universe. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.